So I'm sitting outside in the rain. All of a sudden it was calm, and now it's coming down. Just like this Matrix is about to come down too. And something should happen this week. You know, 7/7 is a good day. 7/7/2023. That's a great day for luck. Great day for manifestations. Yeah, it's coming down, boy. And it's lightning hard. Let me tell y'all about that lightning real quick. Some of that lightning is portals opening up. Like I told you, portal just means energetic doorway. Just like when you walk through your door, that's a portal. It's a type of energy. Everything is bubbles of energy doing this. Some of these doorways that are opening up is bringing stuff in. Some of your ancestors, some of your brethren, some of these ships. That's why the sky is so cloudy. I'm trying to tell y'all. Y'all been seeing weird ass clouds with cloaking. I showed y'all the cloaking we got. So we got cloaking. And Earth, imagine what aliens got. Some of them clouds that be looking like faces and be looking like different stuff in the sky, that ain't no coincidence. Them were ships. The lightning that you've been seeing, the heat lightning and stuff like that you've been seeing irregularly, not normal to wherever you are, that's energy doorways opening up. I told y'all we're in the age of revelation. So basically all shall be revealed. All the stuff that was hidden. The matrix that was created around us, that's going down. That's over with. It's done. And this is one of their last tactics, messing with the weather. Because they don't want you to see it and get hyped. Like, oh, shoot, that's a shoot. They don't want you to do that. They want to block out the sun. You didn't see the president talk about it. Bill Gates talked about it. Putting stuff in your food. They know you about to power up. And when you leave, they don't exist. Literally, they don't exist. You emit so much energy. If a group of enlightened people leave, they don't exist for real. So y'all hear it. Look. Coming down. Coming down. Just like this Matrix. Yeah, ain't no more enslavement to be energy batteries. No more of that slave money. Look, you saw the lightning just now. You saw it, right? You know what I'm saying? I ain't going outside right now. That'll be my luck. I'm like, that's him. That's him. Hit the switch. Pew! Look at that. No, got me fucked up. Y'all could eat a pickle sandwich. The thunder sound weird, bro. It's not normal thunder, bro. Sound like some dubstep going off in the sky. Like, y'all know what time it is. It's over. They just need to give up. It's over. I love y'all. And if something should happen, I love you.